If you're running into Discord error codes and you just want the fixes without wasting time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common Discord error codes and show you exactly what they mean, what causes them, and the fastest way to fix them. We'll cover audio issues, microphone detection problems, muted devices, and even screen sharing errors. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe because I post simple tech fixes just like this all the time. Let's jump right in. First up is error 1003, which is the audio input rate mismatch error. If your voice sounds robotic, distorted, or glitchy in Discord, this usually means your microphone sample rate does not match what Discord is expecting. The easiest fix is to disconnect your microphone and reconnect it again. If you're using a USB mic, unplug it, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. If you're using an external audio device, try switching ports or restarting Discord after reconnecting. In many cases, this forces Discord to redetect the device properly and clears the mismatch. Next is error 3001, which means Discord cannot detect a microphone at all. If you see this, the first thing to check is the physical connection. Make sure your microphone is fully plugged in, and if it's a USB microphone, try a different USB port. Sometimes the port itself is the issue, not the mic. If you're on a laptop or using an audio interface, double check that the device is powered on and connected properly. If Discord still doesn't see it, close the app and reopen it after reconnecting the hardware. That often forces a fresh device scan. Now let's talk about error 3002. This one means your microphone is connected, but it's not picking up any sound. In other words, Discord sees the device, but it isn't receiving audio input. The most common reason for this is a mute switch on the microphone itself, or a mute setting on your headset cable, USB mic, or audio interface. Check for any physical mute button, inline volume control, or side switch that may be turned off. Also, make sure the microphone isn't muted in your system audio settings. Once you turn that back on, test your input again in Discord. Then we have error 3003, which is a screen sharing issue. This error means screen sharing is not supported by your operating system version. If you get this message, the problem is usually that your OS is too old or missing the required support for Discord screen sharing. The fix here is to update your operating system to the latest available version, then restart your computer and try again. If you're on a device that simply doesn't support it, you may need to use another device or another method for sharing your screen. As you work through these fixes, remember that Discord errors are often caused by small device or settings problems, so it's worth checking each step carefully. If one fix doesn't solve it right away, move on to the next one and always test your microphone or screen share again after each change. And if you want more specific Discord fixes, be sure to search my channel for the exact error code. I've covered almost all of the major Discord error code fixes in separate tutorials, so there's a good chance the answer you need is already there. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover a specific Discord error next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.